There are days when you open the kitchen cabinet and all you see is flour. No biscuits, no breads, nothing fancy. Just one ingredients. But in just one ingredients, you can make a super easy and delicious layered nimki recipe. Looking for something crispy and light to enjoy with your evening tea? Then you can make this layered nimki recipe. It's super easy to make and also very delicious. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. In a large mixing bowl, I am adding 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain and ½ teaspoon of salt. Now I am adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee and mix all the ingredients very well. Now slowly pour water little by little and knead into a medium soft dough. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Cover the dough for 15 to 20 minutes. Now take a small bowl and add 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and pour 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and mix well until it turns into a smooth, lump-free paste. This paste is used between layers for crispiness. Now divide the dough into 3 equal portions. Roll each portion into a round roti. Make sure each roti is evenly rolled to about the same size and thickness for better layering. Take one rolled roti and spread a thin layer of the corn flour oil paste all over it. Place the second roti directly on top and repeat the same step. Now place the third roti on top to complete. Again apply the paste over it. Now gently fold the layered rotis together into a square shape. This recipe is not just a nashta, it gives you comfort in every crispy bite. What makes nimki so special is its layered texture. Crispy on the outside, light and soft inside. Then lightly roll the dough. This ensures even thickness and better frying. Now cut the rolled dough into small square shapes. Friends, now you can make shape as you want. You can shape it into diamonds, squares, or even little twists. Each one turns out beautifully golden and crunchy. Friends, there are more easy and delicious recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Now gently drop a few nimki pieces. Fry in small batches to avoid overcrowding. Fry until they turn golden and crispy from all sides. After they turn crispy and golden, remove the nimkis and place them on paper towels to remove the extra oil. And that's it. The crispy layered nimki is ready to enjoy. With just a few ingredients, you can make this perfect tea time nashta, crispy and full of flavor. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.